Hello, well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching the autonomous DroneBot 0 to Hero series, build, code and fly. So in this lesson, in this video, I'm going to show you, we will be using a specific kind of GPS module for our DroneBot. All right. So we will be using a module called Ublox NEO-M8N GPS module. That is the name, that is the model type, right, which comes along with the entire bundle, entire kit, or you can also buy it separately. It comes along with the stand and the bracket, and you need to mount it on the top. Of course, I'm going to show you everything practically, but for you to understand what this GPS module is. So GPS module often combines a GPS receiver and a magnetometer to provide latitude, longitude, elevation and compass heading from a single device, right? Just imagine your latitude, your longitude, elevation and the direction, the north, west, east, south, all the four directions, right? So GPS is an important requirement for waypoint navigation and many other autonomous flight modes. Without GPS, your drone would have, will have a very limited use. It literally is just a flight controller. You can control forward, backward and fly and kind of thing, right? GPS is the most important aspect. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. For those of you who don't understand this, you need to understand this. It is an American standard which provides location and time information in all weather conditions, any kind of weather. It can be rainy, it can be hot summer, it can be, whatever the condition it is. Anywhere or on near the earth where there is a unobstructed line of sight to 4 or more GPS satellites. So there are multiple satellites roaming around our orbit, right? So our GPS system, the positioning system is based on those satellite itself. Most drones, of course, allow you to program in a fail-safe home point. You can also program it and make it a different way to work. This allows the drone to fly back to the point if it loses the connection or your remote controller. So if you lose your line of sight, right? So GPS helps you to bring it back to your particular location. So most drones have a minimum requirement of satellites before the home point can be set, but always set a home point. So that is very important. I'm going to, of course, talk about the home point and the satellite navigation and how to configure those in your mission planner and stuff like that in the later lessons. For now, try to understand what this GPS means and try to understand the components. In-depth understanding is very important of each and every component before you start building your flying robot. Alright guys, I'll be back soon in the next video with the next components. Goodbye.